YouTube, Joshua the window cleaner here. I messed up and broke one of the pull tabs on this one. I was washing it and cleaning it, and I did it on a few other ones, so I'm going to show you what I do whenever that happens. Over time, whenever I'm repairing screens, I collect older pull tabs that are still useful and then replace them with brand new ones. So just in case something like this happens, I have one that matches up. So I literally only have one left of these, but this is the same exact pull tab that you see here. So I got really lucky, I got one left, and I'm going to put it over here. Now I'm going to show you how to do it without messing the screen up. So what I normally do is try to find a corner and lift out the spline. So when you lift the spline out, like so, it frees that little spot open, okay? Then you lift up the screen, very careful because you don't want to damage the screen. You don't want to have to redo the screen. Okay, put the pull tab in there. Okay, make sure it's not the same as that one so it don't look funny. Okay, and you just push the spline back in with your finger. Take your spline roller. And you're only going to have these tools if you do screen repair often. And just like that, pull tabs back in. It's all good to go. So I'm going to show you how to do it on a bigger one as well. So hold on one second, I'm going to go pop this in. So this is a bigger screen, but you're going to do the same thing. And this one's a little bit different. You want to be really careful pushing on this edge because it can rip easily, especially when they're older. But just slowly push it until you can get the spline to lift a little bit. And then you can even take a flathead screwdriver and pull it out too. Alright, so now that I got the spline lifted out, okay, I'm going to push the screen up. And I'm going to pop out this broken piece I just broke. And luckily, I have a couple of these, like probably just enough. But these are all ones that I saved over time. So let's see. It'll take longer, but this one will work. I think this one's the one. So this is the one. And if you don't have one, then I just would replace both of them with new ones. So I have new ones here just in case I don't have one that will go here. So just pop it in there. Okay. And you want to put the spline back in there with your finger. And then take the roller. And then finalize it. Okay. And now that pull tab is all ready to go. Okay, it looks like it's a little bit smaller, but it will work. Alright. Okay, so on this one, the other piece was too small, I believe, so what I'm gonna do is, I had another one that I broke, so I'm gonna replace it with brand new ones. And so when I replace it with brand new ones, I'll have one extra that I'll be able to put on that other screen that I just did, and the thing was too small. Let's see if I got the screen out. Perfect, got the spline out. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one out, and now I have an extra one of these for the other screen. Okay, go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. Pop it in there, like so. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it all out. And this one is the one that's broke. So I'll just take this little piece out of here. It's garbage. And then put a brand new one in here. Got a brand new one right here. See, make sure it's about the same. Cool. Okay, so now new pull tabs. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the spline back in there with my hand. The reason why I want to do this is because it's easier to roll it in. Okay, now we got it rolled in. Okay. And every now and then you'll have an extra piece left over. That's why I have this here. Just go ahead and trim that right there. It's because you stretch it out sometimes, but it's not a problem. It's not a big deal. Okay, I'll roll this a little bit in. Got these little pieces falling off. Now let's get his name. Okay. Now I'm going to use this pull tab for the other one that I just put a small one in. This one has brand new pull tabs. So there you go. Simple way to do it without damaging the screen. Go on just to the side. There's a couple tips in there on you know, how to replace a pull tab on a screen if you break it, but just make sure that you keep the old ones. I mean, obviously not ones that are super brittle or anything like that. That's not a really good idea, but the ones that are still in good condition you want to save, just in case you run into a screen that you break on accident. You can replace it pretty easily that way. And that's what this video is about. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I would love feedback from anyone, whether it's good or bad. Doesn't matter to me. I really appreciate the positive feedback though. It's always an encouragement. I really appreciate that. And if you're a window cleaner out there and you have a YouTube and you're making videos and doing reviews and things like that, I would love to subscribe to you. So make sure that you like and subscribe, and then comment your channel link in the comments below, and then I will go and subscribe to you. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there's any editing tips too that y'all would like, or a certain video that you might want, just let me know and I'd be happy to make that for y'all. All right, peace out.